Hello, this is Darius from Unboxing Doozy, and today I got something really special to unbox. The 11 Pro Max 256GB version. It's a replacement of the XS Max and the most expensive iPhone after the 512GB version that you can buy. When holding the box straight away you can feel the quality with some simple features like accentuated outlines of the picture that make it feel extra special. This new iPhone and the new iOS 13 have been released in the same time, on September somewhere of 2019, as it is tradition with Apple. Number one thing you notice is the frosted backside with the eye-catching 3-camera module. But for now I'll put the phone to the side while I go through the unexcited part of checking the documentation. And yes, it is all there. Now let's have a look at the accessories provided by Apple. We got the USB-C wall adapter. The next thing is the headphones. The ones provided are just normal ones and not the more fancy AirPods, which I kind of expected or hoped would be in there. And finally the Lightning to USB charging cable. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's examine the phone. I will shut up for a bit while I remove the screen protector sticker. So this phone has 4GB of RAM, which don't seem much for a flagship phone, but considering the iOS manages the RAM more efficiently than Android, it should be enough for the time being. The frosted back looks like really good choice, as it seemed to be resistant to sweaty hands and greasy fingers like mine. The phone is quite bulky and weighs in at 224 grams. It has glass front and glass back with stainless steel frame. Available colors are gold, silver, space gray and the all new midnight green. With an IP rating of 6.8, it is also dust and water resistant, up to 4 meters and 30 minutes. The Pro Max has 6.5-inch OLED display with a 1242 by 2688 pixel resolution, which translates in about 458 pixels per inch. And that comes in just short of 4K. True Tone technology makes a comeback in this phone as well, as it adapts the white balance of the screen to the ambient light, and that should diminish the strain on your eyes. The battery in the Pro Max is a 3969 mAh one. It is significantly larger than the one in its predecessor. You can charge it wirelessly or with the included fast charger. According to Apple, it will juice up the phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. This is the first Apple phone with 3 cameras on the back, and all of them are 12 megapixels. You get a telephoto lens, a wide and a ultra wide lens with a quad LED dual tone flash. In the front, the old 7 megapixel camera has been switched out for a new 12 megapixel one. Besides that, you get a whole bunch of sensors and features, too many to name them all in this unboxing video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. If you did, please like and subscribe for more. Goodbye.